Welcome to the screencast on infusing critical thinking in your instruction. Strategies you will learn in the screencast will help you accomplish NE Indicator 4.1. Do keep in mind, though, that you are probably already doing a lot of critical thinking strategies and posing critical thinking questions in your class. Teachers are masters at getting kids to think deeper, and so you are probably already doing these things and you don't even realize it. Things that you're probably already doing include justifying and evaluating thinking, cause and effect learning, and any higher order thinking skills. I'm going to give you a couple of thinking routines that you can use in your classroom. Thinking routines are simply patterns of thinking that can be used consistently and across content areas. The first one is simply just two questions that you get in the habit of posing to your kids. One, what's going on here? And two, what do you see that makes you think so? At the first grade level, this starts out as simple as perhaps using picture clues and inferring something from the picture and then asking what makes them think whatever it is that they're thinking. At the third grade level, this could be used during a science experiment as you ask kids what's going on here in the experiment and have them justify that answer. At the fifth grade example, I can see using this when you're talking about the Boston Tea Party. Perhaps you have a picture of the Boston Tea Party, and instead of just showing them and telling them what's going on in the picture and during that event, you could ask them what do they think is going on there, and what do they see that makes them think that. Maybe what information do they already have about the topic that causes them to think what they are. The second thinking routine has a name and is called Circle of Viewpoints, and it's simply 4 steps. After reading a story or learning about a scenario or event, put students into groups, assign each person a different viewpoint from somebody in the story or somebody from the event. 3, students discuss events from that person's viewpoint, and then at the end, step 4, students summarize what they learned as a result of that viewpoint and of the sharing of the viewpoints in their groups. So at first grade level, this could be done with a kind of like a twist on a fairy tale. Third grade level, this could be done as you're discussing taxes and the fact that taxes go to schools, which is something that is often taught in third grade. You could have kids take on different viewpoints such as a school superintendent, parents who have kids, people in the community who don't have kids but still have to pay taxes that go towards the school, and then kids in the school. At the 5th grade level, I could see you using the circle of viewpoints with slavery and have the kids take on the different viewpoints of a slave, the child of a slave, someone who agrees with slavery, someone who disagrees with slavery, and the governor of South Carolina. So as you see, this can be used across content areas and with different grade levels. 2 key things to keep in mind: no matter what thinking routine or critical thinking strategy you're using, you want to model it throughout the day in your lessons and outside of lessons. That means on the playground, during lunch. Maybe some of your students are having friendship issues. Try to use these questions all the time so that it becomes natural for them to think in this mindset. And 2, of course, infuse it in all content areas. Here's a resource. All information from this screencast was taken from this resource. If you want more information, you can check it out, or of course you can talk to me. I'd be happy to work with you on applying some of these strategies or other critical thinking strategies in your classroom. Just let me know if you would like some help.